Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very nice flower. Let's begin from here. You know, when the sun rises in the sky, so we can draw a few lines like this. Another center we can draw here. From here we can draw the petals, connect it like this. Let's make the connection in this point. Another flower we can see here on the right side, few lines extended radially from the center to the outwards, and we combine few curved lines and connect all the curved lines to the previous straight line we have just drawn here, and the flower looks like this. In the bottom there's a holder. Then we can draw two straight lines, two curved lines. Yes, two curved lines. Those are parallel to each other. Also from here, two parallel curved lines, and draw the leaves like this. All right. Also you can draw leaves like this. So if we see in the frame, the drawing is done. Let's put a nice color for the flower here. When we draw the petals, we need to draw it with patience. Put the colors in the same measurement. Like this. Also we do the color, the other one. Let's put some green color for the holder, as you see here, and for the sticks all right. For the leaves we can put the lighter stroke and the light green color. Little detailing we can draw for the leaves here. All right.